ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم. إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي
All right, gang. All right, man, I'm back. We have some kind of some bad days, but man, we have 3 days off. Now we are back to the business, and we'll see. So if I get into this trade, yeah, 10 pips. But 10 pip was not worth it over here. So this is where I would have my break-even point for sales. Man, today, whatever we will get something big. This is what I know, man. This is what I know. After looking at the charts, I can say this. I can clearly say this. Whatever we will get big. Mhm. So, okay, so let's do some analysis. So, weekly, last weekly did close. So, you know what? Let me go to monthly. Monthly candle close, and we all know this. This is the first day of the month, and this what this candle did. This candle opened up with a 70 pip gap, came down, and like came to this wick, reject this area, and came up. We still did not get we still did not get a bottom wick for the weekly. There is no bottom wick for the weekly candle, monthly candle, and this is also a 3 month candle open. If we go to the weekly time frame, same thing, no bottom wick. If we go to the daily, no bottom wick for the daily, and we are pushing up consistently like without bottom wick. And the next thing I can say, we have only one thing, and that is a 4 hour time frame. Previous 4 hour candle has no bottom wick, so this is also a problem because previous 4 hour candle has no bottom wick. So we may, if we get the closure below the range, that means we will come down to give this candle a bottom wick, or maybe we came all the way down. 1 hour close bullish. So we know this 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute is pretty good. So 30, this 30 close bearish. So this candle has no bottom wick. I think this candle can come down to create a bottom wick. But what if we get the trade from this candle high, because previous candle close with no wick at the top? Oh fuck. Previous candle close bearish, weak bearish. The next candle can go up, can go down. But if we have to take a buy, we can take a buy once we break the high of this candle, bearish candle. If we take the buy over here, we have 15 pip range. We'll have stop loss of 35, 36 pips. So I'm not going for I am not going for a buy for now. This 15 also close a weak bullish. and the next candle does not have a bottom wick. So yeah, yeah, man, yes, nothing for us. GJ, I think pound is not open, so I'm not looking for GJ. Let me see the Forex factory. CHF, Euro, German, French, Italian, Pound, AUD, NZD, all banks holiday. So there are two banks open, USD and Canada. US and Canada banks are open, remaining are closed. So yeah, I don't think so. Uh, I don't think so. I can take the trade on GJ and do we have Japanese bank holiday? No. Oh, okay, okay. That is why pound yen is moving. So yeah, man. I am pretty okay. What I yeah, good was amazing. So, oh, this is a Easter Monday. So, okay, the European time will be closed for the holiday. We tend to have a substantial impact on liquidity. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Euro USD is absolutely nothing. And CAD JPY. Man, what is this? Okay, this is 15. Oh, this is where Raja Banks took the trade and ran for like 80 pips, man. Holy grail, man. Holy grail. So this is simple, pretty simple. No trade range, potential buys close above, potential sells close above. We don't have any target for the buys. We don't have any target for the sell. Oh, we have target for the sell, but I think we'll trail our yeah, once we get into the buys, we'll trade our stop losses. Today, spreads on IC markets looks little high because we usually have spreads like zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5. Today we have 0.7. Now we have 5. So I think okay. One hour. Yeah, 1 hour may go up. But the thing is, we have also, yeah, we need a closure above this range. 30, we can't go for a buy. This kind has no bottom wick. At any time, This candle can come down to create a bottom wick. So yeah, we can't go for a buy, and you all know this. You you all know this. Until or unless we get the closure above the range, we can go for a buy. Until it's not over. Until when it is not over. Until when it is not over. 30, 50, 5, 1, 5. Yeah, we can again reject from this area, but yeah. Wow. Open price 191. So GBP, man, why I'm looking at will only trade gold. I don't think so. We'll get again a closure above. I think now we need a closure below this range so we can go for a sell for this 52 pip range. And man, if you get any trade today, try to clear your funded challenge on that only one trade, because this is your chance to make money. This is your chance to clear your face, because you will not get every day this kind of volume. You will not get, man. You will not. That is why I'm saying. That is why I'm saying. Try to clear your funded challenges today. There is no tomorrow. Yeah, most likely this candle will come down to create a bottom wick. Oh man. Yeah, okay. Most likely this candle will come down to create a bottom wick. This is what I'm saying from the start of the candle. I'm saying, man, this candle can come down at any time to create a bottom wick. Look, 5 minute close bearish. This is what I'm saying, man. 5 minute can also reject. Look, what's going on over here? Tell me. Okay, look. Here is kind of like bearish, and now it can come down. This is still 60 pip away, man. 53 pips. Yeah, let's see if we get a closure below this range. We will go for the sells. Okay, 30, 15. horizontal, delete. Wow. Oh shit. Spreads on dominion markets are getting crazy. Wow. I don't know why spreads are higher today. Oh man, look how what I said. I said we can come down. The highest probability for is to come down. This 15 close bearish and the next 5 minute kinda give the whole move. Yeah, the next 5 minute give the whole move, man. It moved for like 27, 28 pips. Oh shit. Look, this is what I was saying, man. This is what I was saying. Now you can understand what I was trying to say. What I was trying to say. So, oh, look, 5 minute is also clean. Wow. Once we get the closure below the range, there is no reason for us to close something before reaching this level. There is no reason, man. Look, we have a crazy volume. 1 hour is try to close bearish below the range. I don't think so. I can go for the trade on the 1 hour time frame. And we have 30 minute this and all these rejections. I don't think so. Or if we have to take the trade on the 1 hour, let's keep your stop loss 42 pips. So, yeah, this is all what I want to say. And yeah, as we said before, man, I don't know how can I like I wanna. Mm, yeah. We don't have any clear direction for now. We are kind of arranging. Oh, yeah, we are kind of arranging, but so uh, are we here to force the trade? No, we are not here to force the trade. Insane volume. Yes. The market is why Deepak Char, why from the impatient to patient. Yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, wow. So, look how we are rejecting. That is why I say, man, don't force, don't rush the process. Just wait for the candle to close and to see what's going on. Yeah, wait and watch. Mm, bro, what do you say? Just some action. Yeah. Mm, Wow. Oh shit. So yeah, man. Ooh. $30. Oh wow, this came up for like, oh wow. Wow. Mhm. Mm, yep. He is the young talent. Talent. Oh, took this. Good luck to me. Okay, good luck to you. Okay, 1 hour kind of a close below, but I would still rather wait. Let me see on the Dominion markets. Ah, yeah, we closed below, but I would rather wait. Yeah, I would still wait for because I don't want to take the trade on the 1 hour time frame. I think I would love to wait for the. Look, man, 30 looks pretty bad. Where is a 4 hour? 4 hour is somewhere over here. Hmm. Rishabh. Mm, 1 hour. So I think we cannot go for a trade. Yeah. The solar. Mhm. Yeah. We have to wait for Canada to close below this range. Other than that, there is nothing. So, oh, this is London Open, man. Today time is changed. Oh man, today time is changed, man. So this is London Open for us. Ali, are you looking to trade only gold today? Yes. You're absolutely right. I'm looking to trade only gold, and if you guys can leave a like on the stream, I would be very happy, and I'm turning towards Ali. And yes, Discord. So yeah, I'm only looking for gold because there's a reason. We have a bank holiday for pound, France, and bank holiday for uh, France, Germany, Switzerland. We have a bank holiday for Australia. We have a bank holiday for New Zealand. We have a bank holiday for all that countries. So that is why I'm saying I'm only looking for trade on gold. And I'm also looking for a big trade on gold. Big trade on gold mean we may get 35, 40, even if the 1 minute candle move like 30, 40 pips, we may get overall 60, 50, 60 pips. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for today. Let's see. This is the plan. Gold. So yeah, so far we did nothing. waiting for some sort of a good setup so we can go for a good trade. So yeah, let's see if we can get early here. Ali, 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 Ali. Sent him the message on WhatsApp and let's see. So this is what we are looking for, and anything else, there is nothing. Oh, wow. Ali, Ali, Ali. I'm fine, bro. What about you, man? How are you? Oh, it's amazing. Yeah. Yeah, because man, trading, man, we were sleeping and gold was moving, and now we wake up. So this is a wake up call for gold. What did was 80 pips? Yeah, yeah, yeah. The trade Raja put on his story. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Like why this should move like that. I'm s- once, but the one thing, yeah, but one thing that I know is once we get the closure below 2256, we will get like 50, 40, 50 bip trade. Because man, if we look at the 5 minute time frame, even 5 minute time frame is clean. So there is no reason to what you're saying. Had oh yes, yeah, yeah. It can easily, yeah. It and we don't have a bottoming for the monthly, not have the weekly. This is also a 3 month candle open for today. So 3 month open candle mean we need a bottoming. Second, now we have the this is the start of the second quarter of the year. So we really need what we can call that. Yeah, we need a bottom wick. If we look at the trading view, we can easily see there is no bottom wicks. Yeah, like if you have to move your stop loss to break even, you should move your stop loss to break even after 40 pips in profit, because the way we have range and the way we have like clean range, even though we don't have the rejection on the 5 minute time frame. So we can also we can come down to where is daily. Yeah, if we look at the daily on the trading view, then we can see, man, there is no bottom wick. Horizontal ray, here is a daily. Man, we can get, we can clear our funded challenge today. 4 hour. Oh, previous 4 hour also has no bottom wick. So 4 hour no bottom wick. Let me see one more thing. This 4 hour candle, no, we need to get what I need to get. Oh, yeah, man. If we don't get, I think, bro, the thing that I'm seeing now is FTMO and the 5%ers. Bro, these two companies were amazing from 7 years, and they are not going to anywhere. They have their own MT5. They have their own uh, like DX trade, C trader, everything. But we were looking for some cheap accounts. That is why we got scammed by the companies, funded company. But why you didn't go for FTMO? Yeah, yeah. But yeah, but if we look at now, if we look at what's going on in the funded industry, we would say, man, like if we have a skill set, if we can pass the funded challenge, we have to go for FTMO. Like we can say that. But at the time when everything was going good, everyone was look for some cheap challenges because every company was offering the same thing. The difference was in the price. So people were like, man, every company is offering the same thing, so I'll look for a cheap price. but but I think, like, if my company shut down, I'll like instantly go for the FTMO, and I will get the account on MT5, bro. Once I get I think I can do better, 5x better on MT5 as compared to DX trade. Oh, so okay. Uh, alerts, yeah. One of my friend was saying the same thing. Okay, tell me one thing. How much is the spreads now on Dominion markets? Yeah, 2.0, 1.9. So today spreads are little high because of most of the banks are closed off today. Man, Amazon is smashed. Bro, 1 hour candle, 1 hour. Oh shit, it was 25 pips. 1 hour candle was making sense a little bit, but if we go to the 30, bro, it is crazy on the 30. We have so much rejections. I don't think so we can take the trade on the 1 hour. 2061.66. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. We have some range towards the, yeah. And also one more thing. Today time is changed. This is the London Open. Yeah. So I think this is good. The only thing that is not good for me is like, I man, wake up. wa- For me, waking up is very hard. So, but after Ramadan, we can easily adjust our time. Uh, it was like 4:30. Yeah, I think it was 4:30. Oh, oh, okay. You are saying at the time market was open and it was moving. I also didn't even look at the charts because because I know like I was feeling like we will get something good in the London, and that is why I didn't even like open the chart. Ah, yeah, absolutely. No, I don't watch his stories. I don't watch his stream. Bro, bro, there are.
Changing you should join and the fees is like $100, thousand
Bro,
dollars, you know?
listen. Oh, he decreased his elite program price.
Yeah.
His price was
I'm
$1,500.
like, bro,
Bro, but one thing I wanna say,
yeah,
like after marriage, house needs some expenses, and to to
yeah.
like cover that expenses, you need to have money. Even though they
Yeah,
said
bro.
they
If
used to said on
someone,
the
yeah,
stream, money is a piece of shit, it is a piece of paper, don't believe in. But bro,
mhm,
everything you can get is with the money. Now Soprano on Dominion is one pip. Bro, it has to stay on the one pip because if we have lots of volume, that shouldn't bother the spreads. The only thing that bother the spreads is liquidity. When we don't have so much liquidity, like we have so much bank holidays, so less people are buying and selling. So that is why we have a clear move because like if like let's suppose there is a market and the only one person have bananas and no other person has bananas, so there will be a hegemony. He can rise the prices, he can lower the prices. So that is why, so there will be less buyers and sellers. So there will be a difference, higher difference between the buyers and the sellers. That is why spreads also show us the difference between the buyers and the sellers. Like if we go to the shop and we buy a book, they will say, hey, it will cost you 200 rupees. But like one after 2 days, if we go to the same shop and we were like, bro, we don't need this book, they were like, no man, we bought this book in 190 rupees, and we will take back this book in 190 rupees. That difference is spreads. Like if you go to if you go to the gold shop, they always keep some percentage of gold. I don't know what they call that thing, but they always keep. So that is also called spread. So today we have less bank holiday. Oh, we have so much bank holiday. So like if today we have the same volume, we will still have spreads like one pip, point 0.9 pip, point 0.8 pips. Look, today we have pound bank holiday, and let me see the spreads for the GJ. Oh, G spreads looks good. One pip, 1.1. Yeah. But now Dominion market spreads are good. This is the thing that I can say. So
I sorted out the historical data thing.
how
Got a good news for me.
how
Yeah, I just figure out where to copy that simulation data.
how you copy that simulation data?
We just copy on the when what did I do? I went for like data centers. I was like, uh, i- it was really hard. Like, how can I download this thing? But one thing came in my mind to watch on the data center, like when we download the data, data on the data center.
Okay.
In the top of the side, it's written that the folder that the file gonna be going.
Yeah.
When I checked that file, it was like written like my documents. And when I checked on my PC and went for the document, I was like,
Oh.
oh man, let me check
Oh.
this. And I
Yeah.
and copy
I
that on the
also had my
document.
data in my
And
documents. I also had my data in my document.
yeah, and I
Oh.
just closed the MetaTrader 4 and reopened it to work. I was like really happy. Like man, fuck!
Oh.
And I simulated half of the month of the April yesterday, and
Oh.
yeah, half of it
Amazing.
is gonna be simulated today, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I did the MT5 thing as well, but the MT5 was really hard because it only let you use the one
One
time
time
frame, and it
frame.
was like
Yeah.
15 minutes. I
Yeah.
was like, man, it doesn't work
No,
for
bro.
me.
You can use
Then I
all the
used
time
the
frame, man.
S for F.
Bro, you can use all the time
Yeah,
frames.
I tried, but it didn't work. Let me see. Let me see it again.
You know what?
I tried it, but it doesn't work. No.
Okay, okay, okay. You tried it.
Discipline mode, start simulation, uh, USD. USD node 2023.
So I think we will get the closure above or below the range in pre and Y,
Yeah.
because because bro, we have so much volume in pre and Y session.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I also guess so.
but
Okay.
we will see.
Stand standard.
BTC. Mhm.
Yeah, I cannot find anything, bro. Yeah. It
Okay,
only like tick charts, standard charts, and it is not for it is not like soft for FX, you know. We
okay,
cannot add charts.
okay. Uh, oh, settings. Bro, once we get the closure, man, we can easily tap 2250 if we get the closure for the sell side. Like, Ali, one thing that I don't like about uh, C trader, whenever I switch my time frame, I have to adjust my screen again. How can I fix this problem?
Like what? I didn't
Like, okay,
understand it.
let me tell you one thing. Uh,
Uh,
Properties,
Show me
uh,
on your screen.
scale fix. So if I am not fixing the scale, so like, look at this. Now you can, okay, let me share my screen.
On Discord, you are
Yeah,
sharing or
yeah, I'm going to share my screen.
mm-hmm.
Share. Can you see? Okay. So look, now this
Yeah,
thing,
it's loading, right? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I can.
okay, this thing is happening on now because what I did, I cancel the scale fix. Okay. Now,
Bro, it's showing your. Oh, you. Hmm.
now if I go to 5 minutes, it will auto adjust my screen. Do you understand?
Oh,
So this, so
yeah, I don't know about that. I
ha,
don't use that thing, you know.
this is MT5, bro. So
Uh-huh.
how I am going to fix this thing? I'll go to properties and I will just click on the scale fix. What I did, I did uh,
Mm-hmm.
like now it is stick to this. Like whatever I move my time frame, like it doesn't bother my screen. It will stay at the same like chart. So I wanna see the same thing
Mm.
on my C trader. Like on my C trader, I want like I switch my time frame. I don't want to readjust my screen. So 30 close bullish with no
Bro,
wick at the top.
I beg your pardon about this problem, you know. I didn't understand what you told me.
You didn't understand?
No, bro. Just pardon me.
I'm saying I have a problem with screen adjust. Like whenever, like okay, share your C trader with me.
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, share your screen. Yeah, that's the trader trading view.
Okay, it
Yeah,
is
it's showing
loading.
yes, yes.
So wait a minute. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Now switch your time frame to 15 minutes.
Okay, I
Look,
did.
Look, now you have to adjust your screen again. I want, like,
You think it's a problem?
for me, it's a problem, bro. You have to adjust your screen after every, because you know what we do? We all, like, we always, like, now we have to extend it the charts. Now we have
Mm-hmm.
to, like, we want to see some thick candles. Like the way we, on the MT5, we switch our time frame.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to, we don't need to,
Yeah.
like, again, like, look at this. On MT5, I go to 30. I have the same, like, I don't need to, adjust my charts again. So because I always move my time frame. Okay, 1 hour looks like that. 1 hour, 4 hour is like this. 15. Okay, I'm sitting on the 15. After 5 minutes, I will again. Okay, five. What's going on the five? Okay, 5 minutes is doing this. 30, 1 hour. But on the C trader, I always have to adjust
Mm-hmm.
the screen. This is why I get, like, what can I say, man? But I get angry on,
No,
like,
I don't. You just like mentioned right now, and I am considered it a problem right now. I wasn't like even noticing that thing. I was like,
oh,
okay with it, and I'm getting used to this. Because one thing about C trader I like is that when we execute the trade, firstly I didn't like it. But now when we execute the trade, it shows your real profit when you tell me that it shows your real profit after cutting the commissions. And when
yeah,
we
yeah,
get the
yeah,
trade, yeah,
it always shows you real profits. Like, it was like,
yeah.
okay, and you were like, bro, Dominion Market is scamming me. They always show 1 pip less.
Yeah, bro. Why,
I
why,
share
why
this
can't I?
Then I shared this problem with
Yeah,
my friend, and he told me, "Hey,
uh,
this is not the problem,
I
man."
didn't knew I didn't knew about that thing. I was like, they are cutting the commission as well, and they are not giving my profit as well. But when you say that they show your profit after cutting your commission, I was like, oh, then it's really good. And it shows our balance when we get in the trade and we
Oh,
get out
it
before and
is
after.
good. It is good because we can, you know what we can do? We can do like that. Okay, man, like my risk is $50. Now I need $50. But when we
Hmm.
trade on the MT5, we were like, okay, my risk is 12
Hmm.
pips. I need 12 pips. And when you get 12 pips, you were like, bro, I still didn't get 1 to 1.
Yeah, yeah. And if you see on this, I guess we can see on MT5 as well. But when our trade goes to a profit or maybe on a stop loss, it shows the pips also.
Yeah.
That the pips is it's minus this pip and it's plus this pip. And I really like this, like,
Well, bro, we can
I
also
really
see
like this.
pips on the MT5. Let's suppose,
Yeah, yeah, I know.
yeah, yeah. Like, we have
The
to,
the better thing I the better thing I like about this feature is that when you start your balance, it shows your current balance, and when you take profit or when you get profit, it shows for like plus and minus as well. Like let me tell you one thing. My account was like $230,
okay,
$242. After losing one trade with $7, it shows me like $224.
like how? It was 230.
It was on 4 hour and I lost one trade again, I guess. Yeah. 242. I took one trade, 111 loss. It shows me like 231, and one loss again is 224. And yeah, no. It's like it's showing mixed.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Uh, yeah, yeah. It's like there is mixed, not
Yeah.
straight your current like it not show you straight. My last three trade is like were like straight.
Like what?
My last straight trade were like three trades is like straight. It makes sense for that.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah. So basic thing I'm saying that it shows when you take your trade, it
Yeah,
shows when whether your stop whether what's your current account and what was your previous account. Well, you know what I mean.
yeah,
Mm. And yeah, I'm getting used to this day trader. And the best thing about this thing is that I can like mark an alert and whatever the alert I can like mark it as
yeah.
yeah
Yeah, it give you the
what can I
notification.
say? Yeah,
Yeah,
we
I know
can
this.
like
My
set
friend was also
as
saying
many
me.
alerts as we want.
Yeah, my
Mm.
friend was also saying me the best thing. He was also saying me the best thing that I like about C Trader is we
Mm.
can have alerts. And Ali, you are saying the thing you can it can show you the balance, and I know this. It does show you the balance.
Mm.
Yeah, uh, like
It
it.
shows after the trade balance.
Yeah,
After
yeah,
your this trade, your account is
yeah.
like this, but the
Your
MT5 doesn't show like that.
yeah, yeah. Amplified don't show. Like when we go to the history, the last part is the balance where it shows before this trade your account was sitting at 2%, and after this trade your account is sitting at the 3% or
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
it shows the balance. I'm
Yeah.
talking in the percentage, but it shows the balance.
Hmm.
So yeah, it shows this thing. Mm. So gold is rejecting on the 5 minute time frame.
Yeah, bro, it's whatever, I guess.
I think
It
the
will range for London session. I don't expect it to move,
yeah, yeah,
because in Asian we moved a lot.
yeah. So
Mm.
if we get a closure above or below now, most likely we'll get a fake out. So I would rather see a candle to close above or below the range in pre-NY because we are looking at the volume every day in pre-NY session.
Yeah, it's 2 or 240, man. It moved crazy on that time.
And also one more thing, uh, like now it's been 40 minutes after the London Open, and I think if we get into the trade now, maybe we got a fake out or like the volume is dying now. As we all know,
Yeah,
when we have the London Open at 1 p.m., we used to trade till 2 p.m. We were like, no man, now it's done. Now this is like volume is dying. So now we have London Open
yeah,
at 12 p.m. and we will trade till max at 1:15. If we got a breakout on the 115, we can say, okay, man, I'll take the trade and I will cut this trade in next 15 minutes. If it give me quick move, quick push, okay, I would be happy. If it not, then it is what it is. This is what we can do. This is what I used to do. Like, I remember, like, when I one day I get into the trade at 130, after 130, and the next candle closed weak bearish, and the next candle came up to create a top wick, and I get it at break even, and then it moved whole, like it corrected the whole range and closed below the range, and I was like, man, to drive this down we need volume, and we did not have the volume. That is why I get out of this trade. Then I was like, no, man, I will not take the trade at after 1:30 p.m. and I will do the same thing. Like, max trade that I can take is at 115. And
Mm-hmm.
also, one more good thing is now we have London Open at 12. We can easily go to like 115, then we can close our charts, go to masjid and offer the prayer.
Yeah, I really like the daylight shifting, daylight
Yeah,
PM
I
shifting.
I I also like this because in
Yeah.
the summer, like I used to play cricket like at 12 p.m. in July, in June, in May. We were like, we go to ground at 12 p.m. and we used to play till the evening. But now I'm like, no, man. I now I really care about my skin. So if I have to play some game, I'll play at night. And the best thing about daylight shift is, like, we will end the day before the Isha. After offering the
Mm.
Isha, we can go to ground and we can play for till like 12 p.m. And we used to play for like we play. It is the game is like volleyball, but this is not a volleyball. This is like a shoot ball, and this is so hard if we compare that with the volleyball. So I would rather like cells. This is not because we already move so much. This is because daily has no bottom wick, weekly, monthly, and all that. And previous 4 hour also has no bottom wick,
Mm.
so we can anticipate for the previous candle to, like, uh, we can anticipate for the next candle to come down to give all that candles bottom wick. Oh no,
Mm.
UTC plus 3, UTC plus 3. Okay, candle again close. So yeah, man, I don't think so. I think we will maybe in pre-NY or maybe tomorrow we'll get a good move.
Yeah, we cannot rush. We should not rush the trades.
Man,
It's
yeah,
bank holidays as well,
we
and it's
should,
Monday.
yeah.
We cannot ruin our week by taking
And
risks,
also, bro, like
big
today is
trades on early week.
this is the open of the second quarter. This is the start of the second quarter of the year.
Yeah,
So because so this is the thing we can see, but I don't think so we can like rush. We should not rush at any day, but
yeah,
these are the specific days where we should not rush at all, because we know we can it can fake us out, it can take our profits, or it can do whatever kind of stuff. So I always find True Club Oh, someone said, "Hello, sir." Nightbot said, "Hey, Trade Club 3.0, welcome to the stream. How are you doing?" And that person said, "Hey, I always fine." So, so
Yeah.
Nightbot is doing some good job, bro. It is doing mine work. Hey, I'm always
Yeah.
fine. So, guys, we have six people. Can you leave a like on the stream so we can get some volume in the markets? I don't know why we are not getting the volume in the markets. Maybe you are not giving us the likes. So, yeah. Bro, now I have, I was thinking, man, I was thinking some stuff about trading, and then my, what we call that, my aunt came from the Umrah, and we go to their house and we stay there for like 1 day, and I was there for 2 days. And I was I was thinking like I will plan some stuff about trading and didn't get the time. Yesterday, get back to the home, and I didn't even come to the yesterday to my home. But when like I was about to came back to home at 12 p.m. in the afternoon, then my cousin was saying, "Bro, don't go, don't go." We were like, "We will do this, we'll do." I was like, "Bro, let me go." And he was like, "No." Then, okay, I was like, "Okay, I'm not going to home. I'll go to home tomorrow." And then in the evening at 5:30, I was like, "I have to go to home." I have to go to home.
Yeah.
He was like, 5 minutes before you were okay. What happened? I was like, nothing has happened, but I have to go home. Guys, we have six people, six beautiful people. Can you leave a like? So then I was like, no, bro, nothing has happened, but I have to go to home. Then I came to home. I was tired, and then I in the night I go outside with my friends, and then I came back to home at 11 p.m. and I just straight to my bed and I was sleeping. And the thing that I'm seeing is now I have to make it or break it on our funded challenges, bro. Like we can't have these challenges. I really wanna like now I'm like I can make it or break it. But before my company got shut down, I think I have to clear my challenge or I have to like breach my challenge. If I clear my challenge and my funded company got shut down, I would be very happy. I would be happy because I don't care about money for now. I'm not saying money is a piece of shit. I think money is beautiful, money is awesome. You can buy everything with money. But I'm saying for now, I don't care about money. Like in the first 2 years, maybe I think in the first 2, 3 years, no one should care about money in trading. But after 2 years,
Mm.
Ali,
Yeah. Now, I'll just watch some of my trades that which ones are working well, and I'm like planning to repeat only that trades.
yeah, yeah,
No forcing trades,
yeah,
no bullshitting, no
yeah.
something. Just
Like
taking
when,
that trade makes you like,
yes, bro, when we
yeah,
chase money, we chase some bullshit trades because we are not looking at the
yeah.
trades. We are just looking at the money and we are just looking
You
at the
know,
results.
yeah, you know what? When my trading was normal, when I traded normal, I my account was really up. But when I didn't get something, I forced trade on CPI. What end up happening
Oh,
is that
yeah,
I lost
you
for
made
like
money.
25% of my account.
Yeah, you made money, you were up,
Yeah,
but what happened? You didn't get the trade because we all know this. If we have a CPI, most
yeah,
probably we will not get the volume. And you were like, oh
yeah,
man, we
yeah,
are not getting the trades. Let's try this on CPI. Like this is what we do.
yeah, yeah,
We do this in the last month. Like we were we
yeah,
were
yeah.
looking for every trade because we were not getting the setups and we were like, bro, let's go to the news. And man,
You
news
know,
was
and
also playing with us.
you know the interesting part about that is if I didn't force the trade,
Mm.
I would have been up for like 30% right now.
Oh yeah,
I was like really like sad on myself. My losses were really small, and
yeah,
my wins were really nice.
yeah,
And when I forced the trade, I was like, man, I just ruined my whole account. That's why I'm just planning to stick to the certain rules and make a setup for myself and take only that setup. I should have not care about the move that happens, which is not
yeah. We
followed
should
by my
not.
plan.
Yes, yes, bro. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
bro.
That's
Like,
the only way to get good in these
let me
things.
tell you one thing.
Yeah,
This thing comes in trading journey. Every person face this thing,
yeah,
and sometimes I still face this thing. Sometimes, not every time. When I was looking at the 1 minute time frame, I was trying to catch every move.
yeah, yeah,
You see me like I was trying to catch every move. If this kind of move like 40 pips, I was like, how can I get into this trade? Then I moved to 5 minute, 1 minute. But now I'm not looking at the 1 minute and the 5 minute. I'm just waiting for my setup. Man, we don't need 10 trades a day. We need only one trade. So why I have to take the like we only need one trade. Why I have to take that trade on the 1 minute time frame to risky trade?
yeah, bro, it's true. Because one dumb trade can rule your whole like hard work of 3, 4 months. That
Bro,
doesn't
and
work.
one more thing, it can ruin your 3 4 months hard work, but the thing is it can fuck your psychology, and that is the
Yeah,
worst thing,
it,
because once you got
it,
fucked up by your psychology, then the real bad stuff will happen, bro. Like then you don't understand what is your setup. You are just getting into the trades, man.
yeah,
So
it will be
that is
really
why,
hard to execute your trade. It's
yeah.
true.
So
So, bro,
that
I need to get going. I think I will go to the masjid.
yeah, yeah, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm also
Yeah,
not
bro.
looking at anything. I think if it
Yeah,
came if we get the closure below the range, I will still wait for the bullish candle. This will be extended.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
bro.
bro.
I'll
Take
see
care, bro.
see you tomorrow,
Okay.
bro.
Trade safe.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, bro. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Uh,
Allah Hafiz. Okay. So, yeah, man, I always enjoy my conversation with Ali because we have something like, oh, we got 5 likes. Let me, here is something for you. Here is something for you guys. Yeah, we got 5 likes. One more time. One more time. Yeah. Yeah. This is for all those beautiful peoples who leave a like on the stream. This is for all those beautiful peoples, man. Um, I'm blessed with this community, and I would say you are all awesome. You are all awesome. Awesome. Yeah. So this is what we were talking, man. We have to understand not every day is a trading day. No, not every day you will get trade. Not every day you will get move, bro. This is what I'm saying. So I think you have to, yeah, you have to have patience. You have to, but the thing is that you have to understand is to you should have you should have eager for learning. Yes, you should have eager for learning. So I would say learn every day, earn 3 days a week. Learn every day and earn 3 days a week. So yeah, now I would say, guys, listen, because you all know this. Uh, like today, if you get a closure below the range, I will say you have to still wait because this is not the indication for the sell. Maybe someone say, hey, this 1 hour candle is looking good. But I would say, no, man, you should not look for this because after 9 pips, you will face this resistance on this support on the 30 and on the 15-minute time frame, and we reject this area so many times. I would say if the next, yeah, I would say we want to see some sort of what we call that, like what happened somewhere over here, range. We want to see bullish, bearish, some sort of a range, market range for like 2 hours. If we get the closure then below the range after 2 hours at the pre-NY session, then I would say this is the best time to go for a trade. But for now, this is not a best time to go for a trade. This is a very bad time to go for a trade. Volume is dying. We don't have so much volume, and yeah, I think wait for we should wait for the candles. We should now like, okay, let me tell you one thing because today we got 5 likes and I can tell you that thing. So the thing is, when you get the move in the AN session, most likely you will not get the move in the London session. Once you get a good move in a London session, most probably you will not get the same move in the NY session. So then you will get the move in the NYSE open. So if the market is ranging the whole day, maybe you will get the move in the NY session or NYSE session. So today we get the move in the AN session. I think we'll get the move in the New York pre-NY or NY session. So wait for that session patiently, and man, you will believe me, you will get a good move. And I would say sells make more sense for me as compared to buys. So yeah, yeah, I would say sells make more sense for me. Don't I'm not saying don't look for buys. I'm saying just be cautious with the buys and just more enjoy sells. Even though if someone say, hey man, listen, if why we can't go for a sell, I would say, man, this 1 hour candle also closed bearish, but we did not go for the sell. Look, we could have get this stop loss of 26 pips, but now this candle closed bearish, and I think there is no sells because if we look at the 15 and the 30, we still have resistances, and also not look for sells. Once the next candle, if the next candle close below the range, don't go for a sell, man. Why? Because we will already move at the time, we will already move 80 pips. What else you want from gold to move? How much more gold can move? I don't think so. I think if we can get some sort of ranging, like a bullish, bearish, side by side market sideways movement, then we can say yes, there's a chance for us to wait for the closure. Then, if we get the closure below the range, we can go for a sell. And man, we believe me, we have a good 55 pip range, 58, 59, 59 pip range. And if we get the closure somewhere over here, we can still have a 50 pip range. And we have to give this candle a bottom wick. We have to give this candle a bottom wick. So this is where you can, like, you should not close your trade somewhere over here. No, you should close your trade somewhere over here after 40 pips, 22.50. Yeah, you should close your trade at 22.50. I would love to see this to do this. I would love to see this to do this. Uh, do this. If it do this, man, I would be very happy. I would be very happy to see this kind of movement. And then what happened? Candle closed below after a bullish candle. Next candle came up for the top wick, straight to the TP, straight to the TP. And after that, we can even come down. Yeah, we can even come down. This is, yeah, we can even come down. So this is what you look for. Maybe I made some 2-3% or 4% today. I will inform you if I made something. So yeah, I would really, I'm really looking at the charts, and if I made something. Or one more thing. Okay, so let me, if you don't know my Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I will, before taking the trade, I will post my sell stop or buy stop on the Instagram. Yeah, I will uh, put my buy stop and a sell stop on my Instagram on my story. If you don't know my Instagram, here is the link of the Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram, and yeah, you will get the trade. I will share my, yeah, I will share my buy stop or sell stop or whatever. I'll share this on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram, and guys, I'll see you tomorrow with another beautiful stream. Till yet, happy Monday. Don't force anything. Just wait for your setup to shows up and then go for a trade. This is all what I want to say. Okay, guys.
ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي نزلا من غفور رحيم نزلا من غفور رحيم ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم وما يلقاها إلا الذين صبروا وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد بسم